Hello friends, I am Shubham Sharma from Toppersnotes. This video is about class 11th PCB notes which are provided by Toppersnotes. Let's unpack this parcel and see what books do we have. Friends, as you can see, we have 7 books over here. Let's have a look over the syllabus.
So friends, our first book in PCB 11th class is Biology Part 1. Let's have a look over the syllabus. As you can see, we have a proper index over here. Our first chapter is The Living World, which starts from here. Our chapter 8 is Cells, the Unit of Life, starts from here. Friends, our next book is Biology Part 2nd. Let's have a look over the syllabus. As you can see, we have a proper index over here. And our first chapter is chapter 11, Transport in Plants, which starts from here. Chapter 13, Photosynthesis in Higher Plants. Chapter 17, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. Our next book is Chemistry Part 1. Let's have a look over the syllabus. You can see we have a proper index over here. Chapter 1, Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry, starts from here. Bohr's Model of Atom, starts from here. Chapter 7, Equilibrium, starts from here. Friends, our next book is Chemistry 2nd. Let's have a look over the syllabus. As you can see, we have a proper index over here. Our first topic in this book is chapter 8, that is redox reaction, starts from here. Our next book is Physics Part 1. Let's have a look over the syllabus. As you can see, we have a proper index over here. Our first chapter is Physical World, which starts from here. Chapter 4, Motion in a Plane, starts from here. Chapter 5, Laws of Motion, starts from here. Chapter 7, System of Particles and Rotational Motion, starts from here. Our next book is Physics Part 2nd. Let's have a look over the syllabus. As you can see, we have an index over here also. Our first chapter in this book is chapter 9, that is Mechanical Property of Solids, which starts from here.
So friends, our last book in this is Physical Education. Let's have a look over the syllabus. As you can see, we have a proper index over here. Our first unit is Changing Trends and Career in Physical Education. Our second unit is Olympic Value Education, which starts from here. Some short questions are being given over here for students to practice from their own and to learn them and to revise. So friends, if you found this video informational, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. And for further details, you can visit our website. Contact the link is given in the description below. Thank you friends.